The East Jaintia Hills District Police, acting on credible intelligence, intercepted and arrested two individuals linked to an interstate drug trafficking network during a coordinated operation on the 14th of October 2025. According to police reports, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force of East Jaintia Hills, in collaboration with the Umkyang Patrol Post, launched a Naka operation under the jurisdiction of Lumshnong Police Station after receiving information about a suspected vehicle traveling from Silchar, Assam, carrying narcotics. During the operation, the police apprehended one suspect identified as Abdul Rob Laskar, alias Munna, 22 years of age, son of Nur Uddin Laskar, and a resident of Kaburganj, Silchar, Kachar, Assam. Acting on further leads, the ANTF team also arrested a habitual offender and co-accused Asif Walang, a resident of Harisabha Laban, Shillong. A search conducted in the presence of independent witnesses under Section 50 of the NDPS Act led to the recovery of 5 soap boxes containing approximately 60 grams of narcotic substances and the seizure of a Hyundai Venue bearing registration number AS01EJ8977 used in the crime. Police said a case has been registered at Lumshnong Police Station under the NDPS Act and an investigation is in progress to trace the source, distribution links, and other members of the drug network operating across state borders.